Hello everyone, this is No For Sure GK book of class 4 for APS syllabus. Today we shall start with the page number 41. I hope you have seen my previous videos to learn this. Now here we start with the riddles. I am an old number, take away one letter and I become even. What number am I? I am 7. I am tall, but the longer I stand, the shorter I get. Who am I? I am a candle. Number 3. You have to break me before you can use me. Who am I? I am an egg. Number 4. I am a 5-letter word. I become shorter when you add 2 letters of my name. Short. Number 5. I can run but I can't walk. I can murmur but I can't talk. I have a bed but I can't sleep. I have a mouth but I can't eat. Who am I? I am a river. Number 6. If I have it, I don't share it. If I share it, I don't have it. What I am? It's the secret. Number 7. My 2-word name starts with P and ends with E. But I have thousands of letters. What am I? Yes, this is post office. Number 8. Janie's mother had 3 children. The first was named April. The next was named May. What was the name of the third child? The third child is Jenny. Number 9. Can you name 3 consecutive days without using the words Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, etc.? That is yesterday, today and tomorrow. Now number 10. If you are running in a race and you can pass the person in second place, what place you are in? You are in at second place. Number 11. What can you catch but not throw? This is cold. How many months have 28 days? All 12 months have 28 days. Now next is georegions. Southeast Asia consists of the mainland and the island areas. The mainland includes Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam. The islands include Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei and Philippines. In the northern Europe, the region made up of Norway, Sweden and Denmark is called Scandinavia. Middle East is a term used for countries located on or near the southern and eastern shores of the Mediterranean Sea. It includes Bahrain, Cyprus, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Turkey, United Arab Emirates and Yemen. The Caribbean is a region consisting of the Caribbean Sea, its islands and the surrounding coastal areas. The region covers more than 7,000 islands and is also called the West Indies. The region of Latin America covers Mexico, Central America, South America, and the West Indies. Which countries make up the United Kingdom? It's England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Oslo is the capital of which Scandinavian country? That is Norway. Number 3. Which sea is enclosed by Scandinavia, Finland, the Baltic countries and the European plain? This is Baltic Sea. Peru belongs to which region? Latin America or North America? Answer is North America. Latin America is correct answer. Number 5. In which region will you find the islands of Antigua and Barbados? Answer is Caribbean. Now guess the game. Name the sport described in each clue. Pick the answers from the help box. Number 1. This sport requires using a bow and an arrow. A person who is an expert in this sport is called toxophilate. This is archery. This water sport has strokes such as freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and breaststroke. This is swimming. Number 3. In this sport, the players use wooden hammers to hit balls through rings that are fixed to the ground at different distances. The answer is croquet. This sport is played with clubs and balls. In it, the players tries to hit the ball into the series of holes in the least number of strikes. The answer is golf. This is a Chinese way of fighting without arms. This is also a form of exercise combined with self-discipline. The answer is Kung Fu. The parallel bars, trampoline, pommel horse, and balancing beams are some of the equipments used in this varied sport where one can score a perfect 10. The answer is gymnastics. Animals and their habitats, page number 46. You will find animals in almost every place on the earth, from the hottest desert to the coldest continents. Read about some animals living in different habitats and know how they adapt themselves to their habitats. Found in Africa and Asia, pangolins are mammals with scales instead of hair on their bodies. They are shy animals and rarely seen. When in danger, they curl into a ball and let out a foul-smelling secretion. Else are fish that look like snakes. There are hundreds of different types of eels. Many species of eels live in warm, salty seas and oceans. Freshwater eels live in rivers, lakes and ponds. Eels breathe through gills as other fishes do. But freshwater eels also can absorb oxygen through their skin. Leatherback turtles are named so because their shell is made up of leather-like substance rather than the usual hard shell that other turtles have. They are the largest sea turtles species of the world. They migrate between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The Texas blind salamanders live in a deep aquatic underground environment. Since they live in total darkness, they have no need for vision and their eyes are reduced to 2 black spots. Because of their restricted range and water pollution, the salamanders are vulnerable to extinction and are listed as endangered. Now page number 47. The African wild dogs, also known as painted dogs because of their pelted fur, have big rounded ears. They are mostly found in eastern and southern Africa. They have only 4 toes on each foot, unlike other dogs that they have. They have 5. They move in packs of 15 to 60 dogs and hunt birds and rodents for food. Cleaner raceyi. Cleaner raceyi or the cleaner fish live in the oceans and are well known for their role in the removal of parasites from larger carnivorous fishes. The large fishes allow them a free passage into their cavernous mouths and gill chambers, in which the cleaner race fed upon leftovers and parasites. Boa constrictors are large, non-poisonous snakes found in tropical rainforests. Boas will eat almost anything they can catch, including birds, monkeys, and wild pigs. They kill their prey by coiling around them so tightly that the animals cannot breathe. Despite this deadly strength, some species of boa constrictors are quite popular as pets. The next time I visit the zoo, I'll observe how the zookeepers try to keep the surroundings of animals similar to their natural habitat. Now let's see quick quiz. Name a semi-aquatic rodent known for building dams. It's a beaver. Which African mammal along with the hippopotamus ranks as the second largest land-living mammal? This is rhinoceros. In which continent are anacondas found? Answer is South America. In which continent are kangaroos found? This is Australia. What is the natural habitat of the rhino? This is grassland. Next is festive spirit, page number 48. Fill in the missing letters to name these festivals from all over the world. This is the Jewish festival of lights. It starts on the 25th day of the Jewish calendar, month Kislev, and continues for 8 days and 8 nights. Candles are lit every night. Special games are played and traditional dishes are prepared. This is Hanukkah, Jewish festival of lights. Number 2. It marks the end of Ramadan, the Muslim holy month of fasting. It is celebrated in Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar. This is Eid al-Fitr. Number 3. This is the New Year's Day of Parsis. This is Navroz. Number 4. This festival held in January celebrates Lord Buddha's first visit to the city of Kelania in Sri Lanka. Thousands of people visit the sacred Kelania temple in Colombo. Drummers, dancers, and elephants are part of a colorful procession arranged during the festival. This is Drupathu Perahera. Number 5. This harvest festival, celebrated in the state of Kerala in India, honors the ancient king Mahabali. The famous snake boat race is held during this festival is Onam. Let's see tidbits. Setsuban or the bean throwing festival is celebrated in Japan. Selected men and women throw roasted soya beans from a raised platform in the temples to the crowds, wishing them good luck. Now number 6. This is an annual feast day in Ireland celebrated in honor of Saint Patrick, one of the patron saints of the country. People generally wear green on this day. This is Saint Patrick's Day. Number 7. This Christian festival celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Special decorated eggs are exchanged in this festival. This is Easter. Number 8. This is a national Mexican holiday celebrated throughout Mexico and around the world in other cultures. Family and friends gather to pray and remember loved ones who have died, Day of the Dead. Number 9. This festival, celebrated in mid-April, marks the Assamese New Year. It is the coming of spring, where farmers prepare the paddy field. This is Rongali Bihu. Celebrated in Brazil, the United States, France, and other countries. This festival is characterized by colorful parades, carnivals, and feasts. This is Mardi Gras. When is the first International Yoga Day celebrated? Page number 51. It's 21 June 2015. Number 2. In which state were the 36 national games held in 2016? Number 3. The people of which country speaks Sinhalese is Sri Lanka. Number 4. Which Indian Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is Narendra Modi. Who wrote the book To Kill a Mockingbird is Harper Lee. Who invented television? Answer is J.L. Bayard. Number 7. Which region is Lord Mahabira associated with is Jainism. Number 8. Mark Zuckerberg is the main founder of which popular social networking site is Facebook. If Sahil is older than Ali, Ali is older than Tashi, Tashi is younger than Sahil, who is the oldest. Think about this. So Sahil. Number 10. What is the capital of Pakistan? The answer is Islamabad. Number 11. What is the hardest substance in our body? Is tooth enamel. Number 12. Which Indian language is spelled as a palindrome in English is Malayalam. Number 13. Which sport is the Indian Super League ISL associated with? The answer is football. Which planet comes between Mars and Saturn? The answer is Jupiter. In which state of India will you find Lake Pichola? The answer is Rajasthan. Now page number 56, Stars of the Business World. Bill Gates is one of the co-founders of Microsoft, the world's largest personal computer software company. He is one of the world's richest persons. He and his wife Melinda Gates are also the founders of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which takes place various kinds of charitable works around the world. Ratan Tata was the chairman of the Tata Group, one of the largest business houses in India. He is the great-grandson of Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group. Under Ratan Tata's guidance, Tata Motors launched the world's cheapest car in 2009, that is Nano. Now, Narayan Murthy is an Indian industrialist. He is one of the founders of Infosys, a leading international IT company based in India. For his creative business ideas, his support of many social causes, and promoting India internationally, he has received many awards including the Padam Vibhushan. Madam C.J. Walker was a successful African American businesswoman. She is listed in Guinness Book of Records as the first woman to become a millionaire through her own achievements. She became successful by developing and marketing a range of beauty and hair products. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw is the founder of Biocon, one of India's leading biotechnology companies. She is also a philanthropist and an art collector. She has been awarded doctorates from various universities around the world. Now, Steve Jobs, along with Steve Wozniak, created Apple Computer Inc., now Apple Inc. Apple has brought about numerous innovations in the field of personal computing. Steve's leadership model and unique business ideas have inspired many business leaders and organizations. Jeff Bezos is the founder of the CEO of Amazon.com. The company started as an online book-selling marketplace, and today it is one of the largest online markets for all kinds of goods. The model of Bezos revolutionized the concept of buying and selling online, also known as e-commerce. In 1996, Sergey Brin and Larry Page were students at Stanford University when they created a search engine. In 1998, the company Google Inc. was set up. Today, Google is not only the most successful search engine of the World Wide Web, but it also offers several other internet-related services. Quick quiz: who along with Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft is Paul Allen. Which Indian business leader became CEO of PepsiCo in 2006? Indra Nooyi. Number 3. Which Indian entrepreneur is the co-founder of the website Hotmail? Answer is Sabir Bhatia. Number 4. Who was the founder of Reliance Industries Limited? Dhirubhai Ambani. Number 5. Which of the following started by an Indian entrepreneur is not an online marketplace for consumer goods? The answer is Ola. Now world game, our solar system. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Answer is Mercury. It is the planet closest to Earth is Venus. It has water on its surface and oxygen in its air is Earth. It often appears bright and reddish in the night sky is Mars. It is the largest planet and is so large that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. It's Jupiter. This ring planet is also known as jewel of the solar system is Saturn. This was the first planet that was found with the aid of a telescope. It spins on its side is Uranus. This is the windiest planet in our solar system is Neptune. Flower power. Tulip belongs to is the national flower of Afghanistan. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. Pink rose is the national flower of Maldives. Blue poppy is the national flower of Bhutan. Blue water lily is the national flower of Sri Lanka. Sunflower is the national flower of Ukraine. Iris is the national flower of France. Lily of the Valley is national flower of Finland. And lotus, you know that it's of India. And golden beetle is the national flower of Australia. Valley of Flowers is a national park at the foothills of Himalayan mountain range. It is located in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, India. The valley is known for its wide variety of rare flowers. In this way, we have learned till page number 60. Wait for the next video also for this syllabus. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep subscribing and liking the video. Thank you once again. Have a nice time.